Hello and welcome to this video. What is analysis services? Analysis services is an analytical data engine used in decision support and business analytics. Analysis services provides enterprise-grade semantic data model capabilities for business intelligence, data analysis, and reporting applications such as Power BI, Excel, reporting services, and other visualization tools. Analysis services is available in 3 different platforms. It's available on Azure Analysis Services, on Power BI Premium, and on SQL Server Analysis Services. To install SQL Server Analysis Services, you are going to require the SQL Server installation media. SQL Server Analysis Services is installed using the SQL Server installation wizard. SQL Server Analysis Services is multi-instance, which means that you can install more than one copy on a single computer, or you can run a new and old version side by side. When you are installing SQL Server Analysis Services, it gives you the options of 3 modes. So you can install it as a multi-dimensional and data mining mode, as a tabular mode, or as SharePoint. If you want to use multiple modes, you will need a separate instance for each of the modes. The multi-dimensional model uses the cube structure to analyze business data across multiple dimensions. The data mining, which is also called predictive analytics and machine learning, uses well-researched statistical principle to discover patterns in your data. The tabular model are in-memory databases that model data with relational construct such as tables and relationships in order to provide a rapid and powerful way of providing self-service BI to client applications such as Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Power BI. During the installation of analysis services, you will have to choose one of the modes. Either you want to install it as a multi-dimensional and data mining, a tabular, or SharePoint. Here is a table showing a brief overview of the different modeling types for analysis services. For the multi-dimensional type, the modeling description here says it's an OLAP modeling construct. We have the initially released for the SQL Server 2000, SQL Server 2012, and later, and the compatibility level is 10501100. The compatibility level basically refers to the release specific behavior in the analysis services engine. To begin the installation of analysis services, click on your Start menu and then look for your Microsoft SQL Server 2019 folder, expand it, and look for the SQL Server 2019 Installation Center. So click on that. The SQL Server Installation Center has some many options here that you have to go through. So I'm going to click on the installation link here. From the installation menu, I'm going to select the first link here. It will prompt you for your installation media. So this is my installation media on my desktop. So I'm going to click OK to that. On the SQL Server 2019 setup page, these are the steps that we are going to go through. So the first step at the moment is just checking for any product updates. So there are currently no product updates. I'm going to click on the next button. Under the option for install rules, we have a warning here and 3 passes. And the warning says it's a firewall warning. So if you want to see what the warning is, click on the warning link and it will provide some information. I'm going to skip that since it's just a warning. I'll click next. I want to perform a new installation of SQL Server 2019. So I'm going to leave the radio button checked for the top option and click next. The edition I want to install is a developer edition, which is free. So I'll click next. I'll accept the license agreement and click next. Under the features option is where I select the analysis services. So I'm going to scroll down and look for analysis services. So there's analysis services. I'm going to check that box and then click on the next button. You have to provide a name for your instance. So I've already prepared a name. So I'm going to put that in. I'm calling mine SSAS Tabular because I'm going to install the tabular mode. So I click inside the instance ID and that will populate the name there. So I click next. I'm going to accept all the default server configuration and click next. On the analysis services configuration option here, you have to select the server mode. The default mode is the tabular mode, which is the one I want to use. And then you have to specify a user that has administrative permissions for the analysis services. So you have 3 tabs here: to add a current user, to add from your user base, or to remove. So I'm going to click add current user and that will populate this box with the currently logged on user. The currently logged on user's name has been populated. So I'm currently logged in as an administrator. So that has been added to the admin list here for analysis services. I'm going to click on the next button. You are provided with a summary of what is about to be installed. You can go through it if you wish to do so and just click on the install button. The installation is now completed and you can see here the feature that was installed was analysis services. To exit the SQL Server 2019 setup, click on the close button. To exit the SQL Server Installation Center, click on the X above here. In this video, I introduced you to analysis services and also showed you how to install analysis services. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.